So now let's see how we can utilize the distribute option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to go around and select out all of the shapes that I have right here. So I am in the title editor, as you can see right here. So this is for the title editor. So as I select all of these, I can go around onto the text menu, and over here you can see that distribute object is an option. So if I were to click on horizontally to the left right here, then what happens is that everything is aligned out accordingly right here. Let me just go around over here onto distribute object and click on horizontal center, and everything is arranged out as per center. So what happens is that these spaces are arranged out accordingly right here. So you can go around and distribute it in even spacing right here, and you can distribute it vertically onto the top right here or on the center and so forth. So let me just go around and do this. So let's just go around and then select out some objects so that you can be much more clear. So let me just go around and resize this, and let me just go around and resize this out as well, and then resize it around over here just like this as well. So now once I do this, I'm going to go around and click and drag everything, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and then go to position right here, not position but align object, and then align it out on the center just like this. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, but align it out right here on the vertical center over here. So once I do that, you can see that everything is aligned out, and let's say now I want equal spacing in between these objects, and that is where the distribute objects come in. So I can go around and send it out onto vertical center so that there's alignment option right here, so you can see that there's more space in between. But what I can also do is I can go around and align it horizontally to the left a bit right here so that the spacing is from the left, and you can go around and align it out over here on the right over here just like this as well. Let me just go around, press Ctrl Z, and go to horizontal right over here as well. If I were to go around and horizontal even spacing, then what happens is that there's even spacing in between all of the objects, as you can see right here. So what you can also do is you can go around and work around with the same thing vertically over here. So let me just go around and resize this out right here just like this. Let me just go around and resize this right here, drag it out, and what you can do is you can simply work around with the distribution object, the vertical top right here, then you got the vertical center as you can see right here, then you got the vertical bottom as you can see right here, and you can go around and go for vertical even spacing just like this as well. And that is how you can work around with the distribute option inside of title editor inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.